everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on wild animals. Wild animals live in natural habitats like forests, jungles and mountains. They are not tamed and survive on their own in the wild. Examples of wild animals include lions, tigers, elephants, and bears. Wild animals hunt for food or graze on plants in their natural environments. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Some wild animals, such as wolves, live in packs, while others, like leopards, prefer to live alone. Wild animals have various adaptations like sharp claws or camouflage to help them survive. They can be dangerous if approached by humans as they are not used to people. Conservation efforts are important to protect wild animals from threats like habitat loss. Watching wild animals in their natural habitats is both exciting and educational. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.